Welcome to IT Handicap tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to update Laravel version 8 to Laravel version 9. In this case, you have to back up your Laravel project and your database. So this is my virtual machine. Over here, I need to go to the document root. So that is in the C drive and the Apache, and go to the HT document over here. So this is the version 8 Laravel. This is version 9 Laravel. I'm going to update from version 8 to version 9. In this case, I'm going to back up the version 8 folder. So Control C and Control V, I'm going to create a new folder. Okay. So after that, then I have to use the P4 merge to compare version 9 composer.json and the version 8 composer.json. So basically, this is my destination. That means, for example, I want to update from version 8 to version 9, so I need to create a project, the version 9 Laravel project. Okay, I need to create a version 9 Laravel project, because when I create a Laravel version 9 project, then I will be able to see what happened in the composer.json, because this is the file that I have to compare. Alright, in this case, it's finished, so I have to change the file name to backup. Okay, so over here, this is the version 8 Laravel composer.json, and this is the version 9 Laravel composer.json. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare what is going on between these two. So let me copy this one. This is the version 8. And next one is, this is the version 9. Okay. Press OK. So in the left hand side, that is Laravel demo 02. This is version 8 composer.json. And Laravel demo 01, and this is Laravel version 9 composer.json. I want to compare these two composer.json to see what happened. So I'm going to edit left panel. Okay, I'm going to edit the version 8 composer.json. So I click that one. So you can see they have a lot of different. So now I'm going to compare. Okay, let me show you. First one is the require. So this is the require bracket. Okay, if you check the require bracket, they have a PHP. Yes, they have a PHP. And they have this one. Yes, they have this one. But they don't have this one. Okay, version 8 have this line, but the version 9 doesn't have this line. So be honest with you, I'm not sure whether I should delete this or not. That is this line, because Laravel version 9 doesn't has this. Okay, in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this. So I copy from here and paste in here, and copy this and replace this one. So that means I update this version, I update this version as well. And I'm not sure about this one, so I just leave it. Okay, because this one is the requirement, and this one will affect the production environment, so I'm not sure about this one. Okay, the next one is the requirement for development environment. Okay, this is a development environment. So I'm pretty sure what I can do is I can copy everything here and replace in here. But before I do that, we can still do the compare. This is FACADE. Okay, and there is no this line. So in version 8 we have this line, but the version 9 we don't have this line, so we don't need this. Okay, because this is only for the development environment, so I don't care. It doesn't affect any production environment, so that is fine. And Faker PHP, and this is Faker PHP. And Laravel cell, this is Laravel cell. And version 9 have a Laravel print, but version 8 doesn't have this line. Okay, and this is from here to here. From here, this is Mockery, and this is Mockery. Okay, and this one is this one, and this one is this one, and version 8 doesn't have this one. Okay, in this case, you don't need to worry about anything. You just copy all of this and paste to here. Okay, because it doesn't affect the production environment, so you just use it. And I press Ctrl S, means save. So now I only have this different because version 8 have this line, but the version 9 doesn't have this line. So I'm going to ignore that and go to the next one. So this is the next one. You can see version 8 we have these 3 lines, and version 9 we also have these 3 lines, but I have this for the extra information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and replace this one. Done. Okay, so now this is the only different. I just press Ctrl S to save. So this is the only different. I'm going to ignore it. Okay, so when I open that, when I go to the composer.json over here, right click, edit with Notepad++, I just double check, require. I update the version, but I still keep this one. Yeah, I still keep this one. And over here, I update everything. And over here, I add the extra information, allow plugin. That's it. So I'm pretty sure I update to the version 9. I update the version 8 composer.json to version 9. Okay. So after I update the composer.json in the version 8 Laravel project, then all I have to do is open CMD, run as administrator. Yes. Then in this case, I need to get into this project. So I need to type cd change directory to this project. Then what I need to do is I'm going to run composer update. In this case, it will start to update my version. Okay, because it will start to update my version based on my composer.json. Okay, because I update the composer.json, now it's going to update. Okay, so after it will take a very long while to update. After you update, you go to your public index.php. You will see, oh, I actually update to the latest version, that is 9.28.0. Okay, this is still the old version when I write this note, but the truth is now is I think that is 9.29, I guess. Okay, if you go to this project and double check your version, you still see this is the latest version 9. All right, it will take a very long while to update, so I'm going to start recording for now. After I update the version, so I can check my current version. So I just need to type this command, php artisan -- version. So now it tells me it's a Laravel framework 9.29.0. If I go to here, go to this URL, that is actually go into the Laravel demo 02 public folder. So I double check this one. That still tell me I'm in the version 9.29.0. If you scroll up, you will realize where's the Laravel. Okay, don't worry about that. All you have to do is use this command to check your version, or you can check your version based on your public index.php. Okay, that's all. This is how you update the Laravel version. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.